welcomes students from all over the world, and over 27 countries are represented on Evangel's campus. Hailing from Venezuela, Jose came to EU for its outstanding education program. In Evangel's education department, Jose received relevant, hands-on training and ready to apply teaching methods for the modern classroom. Jose, take it away.
Thanks, Alex. As a kid, I had a dream of coming to the United States to play baseball and get a good education. I was fortunate enough to receive a scholarship to accomplish my dream. After 1 year at a community college, I realized that I wanted to be at a better place. It was then when I found Evangel University. Evangel University is a wonderful place where I met incredible people. Evangel University gave me the opportunity to play the sport I love with people who love the sport as much as I do and who also love the Lord deeply. In addition of my dream of playing baseball, I also wanted to become a Spanish teacher. I believe that becoming a teacher will give me the opportunity to help others learn a new culture and communicate with people from different parts of the world. Evangel has a wonderful education department with great teachers that care for you and want you to succeed in and out of the classroom. Evangel students have the opportunity to explore and reach their full potential, and Evangel provides tools that will help students prepare and become proficient at their chosen career. For example, the education department connects students with the schools around the area so that students can learn classroom techniques that will prepare them for their future. Evangel is a place that will change your life forever. You will not only get to get a good education that will prepare you for your future, but you will also get to build relationships that will last a lifetime. Most importantly, you will get to grow closer to God and grow your faith. That is my story. Back to you, Alex.
Wonderful story, Jose. Evangel's education department offers several highly regarded programs, ranging from undergraduate to doctoral level study. Evangel takes pride in preparing the educators of tomorrow and has over 27 routes to certification. Graduates are in high demand at schools in the local Springfield community, boasting a nearly 100% teacher placement rate upon graduation. That's incredible. Thanks again.